Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change the ribbon in a Smith Coronet Electric 12 typewriter. Got new ribbon from fjaproducts.com, and you can also order it on eBay. And better plug this thing in. Move the thing over, about knock the lamp off. So the first thing you need to do is this is supposed to have two clips on it right here, and one of them broke off. So pull those clips in, pulls your wheel off. Do that to the other side as well. This is the original ribbon from the 1970s, so it's due for a replacement. Quit turning on me. It keeps spinning around. Okay, so now your ribbon wheels are off. So now we pull this out of there. Figure out what to do with those. I'm going to keep them, but I might just put them back in this bag. There's what it looks like without the ribbon wheels in there. So now I'm going to open this up. Oh, out of the package they look like that. So what you want to do now is find the stem, whatever you want to call this. I don't know the correct terminology for this piece right here. But, it's not on there all the way. You want to, I'm getting ink all over my hands because this is new ribbon. What you want to do now, oops, I was using that trailer to hold the camera. What you want to do now, so now, I know this isn't a great angle, but you want to put this in there. Whoops, that caught. Right, now that's in there. Just to show you, I just put the ribbon in and now I've got ink all over my fingertips. I'm going to try to hold this and do this at the same time. What you want to do now is get this guy where he needs to go. I hate this spinning around when it's... I wish there's a way to lock it while I was doing this. there you have it. I had to flip it around, but snip this, or snap it on there, get this all put back. Now you've got it ribboned. Put the hood down,